This video has home remedy of bitter gourd juice for diabetes. What is juice? Juice is beverage made from the extraction of the natural liquid from fruits and vegetables. It gives all vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and phytonutrients. Juice absorbs quickly and more easily in our digestive. Juice gives instant energy to diabetic patients. Made fresh juice every time. Don't use packaged juice because it has preservative and sugar which are harmful to diabetic patient. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is also known as bitter melon, bitter squash or karela. It is generally consumed cooked in the green or early yellowing stage. Contents. It contains dietary fiber, beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, zinc, and vitamin A, C, E, K and B complex. Bitter gourd has charantin which increases glucose uptake and glycogen synthesis. Bitter gourd helps to bring down blood sugar level. It helps to enhance production of insulin. What is diabetes? It is a metabolic disorder in which there is high blood sugar level. Nowadays diabetes is a most prevalent disease in the world. It may cause a sedentary lifestyle, fast food, and absence of daily exercise. How to make bitter gourd juice? 1. Take a fresh bitter gourd and wash it properly. Don't peel the skin of bitter gourd. 2. Cut it into the pieces and rub salt on pieces. 3. Sprinkle some turmeric on the above pieces of bitter gourd. 4. Keep all these pieces aside for some time. 5. When water comes out from pieces, then crush it into the grinder and add some water to it. 6. If you want to strain it, then do, otherwise you can drink it without straining. 7. You can add a little bit of lemon for taste. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment.